Good afternoon. My name is Ross Leinweber, and I'm with Market Technicians Association's Board of Directors. And today we have Riccardo Ronco with us. He is a technical analyst that works over in London, and he's going to share with us today some of the things that he does on the technical side. Good to have you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me here.
So can you tell us a little bit about what you do on a day-to-day basis and how you use technical analysis?
Technical analysis is, for me, initially a source to generate ideas and also a tool for managing the risks in these ideas. By trade, I'm a time follower, so I'm looking for positive or negative price action out of congestion phases, and I follow US and European equities for generating ideas, but actually what I'm doing, I'm looking at all asset classes, currencies, commodities on a medium-term time frame. So I use technical analysis in a very quantitative way. I write my own models and I'm very quantitative, but the chart is important, it has to be nice and clean and tidy. You want to transmit this idea in the clearest possible way to the client. That's the most important thing. And having a process, having a method, it keeps the discipline and takes the emotion out. And I think this is better value for the client and eventually also for my career.
Very good, very good. So you mentioned trend following and breakouts from congestion. Are there any sectors or industries that are particularly compelling right now that you're watching?
Well, at the moment we continue to see a market that is pushing always, and we are looking at the medium-term picture, not what happened maybe in the last 2 or 3 days. Energy and basic materials, both in the United States and in Europe at a global level, continue to badly underperform and breaking down. And this is on the strength of the dollar, of course. Whereas maybe in Europe you have positive action in the auto sector, and it continues to be there. And maybe in US is more pharma and biotech. Clearly, they look incredibly overbought, but when we just focus on the price action per se, without having making the assumption of long can it last, well, the trend remains still positive in that kind of area. So pharma, biotech, retail, transportation are starting to lose a bit of momentum, but they are not yet breaking down.
So how long have you been affiliated with the Market Technicians Association?
I've been since I joined the MTA in 2002.
Okay.
I was with the UK one when I went to London, and before that, because I'm Italian, I started being technical analyst in Milano. I was with the SIAT, the Italian Technical Association. But at the moment, I just focus completely on my attention to the MTA.
And how do you see the organization evolving as you've been affiliated with for some time?
It's very good. There is a lot of possibilities to interact. For example, today we had Tom Dorsey. It is so refreshing because sometimes you do your own work on your own and you don't know if you're going sometimes in the right direction. That's only human. And to see men of this caliber having this kind of success and talking so candidly about what is the right thing to do is reinforcing the fact that you're doing the right work in the right direction. And I think it's important. There is the networking. There is the fact that there is more and more work available on the website, and it is a fantastic wealth of information that people could dream only a few years ago. So maybe too much information, I have to say, but it's up also for courses.
Very good, very good. Well, thank you for presenting, and it's been
pleasure.
a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
You.